Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Discord to your Roblox profile using the Robro extension. First of all, make sure you have the Robro extension installed on your browser. Once you have installed it, open Roblox and log into your account. After that, click on the Robro extension icon in your browser's toolbar to open the Robro menu. In the Robro menu, you will see several features including one for linking your Discord. Click on the Discord tab where you will be prompted to enter the Discord username. Make sure it's the exact username. Once you have entered your username, click the Save button to link it to your Roblox profile. Now, when you visit your Roblox profile, you will see your Discord information displayed and others can easily join your Discord server or contact you through Discord. This is a quick and easy way to connect with other Roblox players. And that's it. Now you know how to add Discord to your Roblox profile using the Robro extension. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.